Good morning to one and all, respected headmistress, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is K. Joshita. I am from 3rd IC. Today my topic is maths about Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a great Indian mathematician born on 22nd December 1887. He was born in Erode, Tamil Nadu, India. Ramanujan showed extraordinary talent in mathematics from a very young age. He had given many important contributions in number theory, infinite series, and continued fractions. Though he had little formal education, his ideas were highly original. Many of his formulas are still used in mathematics today. Ramanujan believed that his ideas came to him through divine inspiration. Srinivasa Ramanujan passed away at the young age of 32, but his contributions remain unforgettable. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone, respected headmisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today is 22nd December. Today we are celebrate National Mathematics Day. I wish you all a happy National Mathematics Day. It is birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan. He was born 22nd December 1887 in Tamil Nadu. He was extraordinary India great mathematician. This day was celebrated for the first time on 26 February 2012 on the 125th birthday of Srinivasa Ramanujan. Our former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh declared this day as the National Mathematics Day in 2012. This day is celebrated to awareness people about the importance of mathematics. Mathematics is not just a subject, it is a universal language used in science, technology, and our daily lives. Let us